To begin your Fafsa, you need to start at the Federal Student Aid website. The URL is up here, but you can also get there by going to fafsa.ed.gov, and that will take you to this site. To start the Fafsa, if you haven't begun one yet, you'll come to this side where it says Start Here. One thing I have noticed, the site is a little bit slow and glitchy this year, so be patient with it. You'll click I am the student, and it will ask for your FSA username and ID. If you do not yet have an FSA ID, you create one by clicking here. That will take you to this page where you can create your FSA ID. You start with your email, create a username and password. When you go on to the next page, it will ask some more information about you. To do this, you will need your Social Security number. Once you've created your FSA ID, you can go back to this page and enter the information here to start your Fafsa. When you get to the following page, it will ask you which year you want to do a Fafsa for. Be sure to choose the 2019-20 school year. And of course, if you have any questions or need help completing the Fafsa, contact Alana or Ariana. We would be happy to help you.